Today, Izzah is making her favorite coconut cake. Let's see how she is making it. We have taken 1.5 cups or 220 grams of all-purpose flour. To the flour, add 3 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and sieving it to make sure the flour is lump-free.
Side. 160 grams of panchasara. Okay.
To the sugar, we are adding half cup and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And the main ingredient, coconut flour or desiccated coconut powder. I have added 5 tablespoons here. Add 2 large eggs and mix well. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder and mixed it with water to make it 1/3 cup. To that I am adding half cup homemade yogurt. Meanwhile, I am preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I'm smearing my pan with butter and dusting it with flour. Side. Our cake is done. You can check the cake by inserting a toothpick or knife, and if it comes out clean, it means the cake is done. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before transferring it to a cooling rack and let it cool completely before you start frosting. Here I am doing whipped cream frosting. For that I am grinding some regular sugar. This is the brand of whipping cream I have used here. It has 35% of fat content, which is ideal for whipped cream frosting. For best results, I have kept my mixing bowl and whisk in freezer 10 minutes prior to whipping. Start with medium speed. I started with speed 3 in my Bosch kitchen machine. Once it starts to thicken, add the powdered sugar. I added 1 cup of powdered sugar for 2 cups of whipping cream. Last 1 minute I whipped it in full speed, that is speed 4 in my machine. Now the frosting is ready to be done to the cake. I'm not a professional in baking and frosting, just trying some simple designs what I could try. Here I'm using just my spatula and my long knife for the application. I have melted some unsweetened chocolate and mixed it with frosting to write the name.